She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey, like a light, hey, like a light. Hey, slept through the flight, hey, not for the night. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block.
Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well on today or tonight whenever you all are watching this. But this hair that I am styling on today was sent to me from Klaiyi Hair. Huge thank you to Klaiyi Hair for sending me out this hair to try out. This is their Brazilian body wave, and I have 4 bundles and a frontal. I have a 20-inch frontal, and I have my bundles in 24, 24, 26, 26.
Yeah. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it.
I did wear this unit previously, so that's why the lace is cut and the baby hairs are out prior to me filming this video. I decided to do a top knot bun style, and I wanted to go ahead and like train my hair into a high ponytail, so it's easier for me to do it on my mannequin head because my arms be killing me when I do it on my head, and then it never looks straight or right when I do it on my head. So to make it easier for me, I just do a lot of my hardcore styling or like my main styling on my mannequin head, and then I just do the rest on my head.
This how it look, yeah. About to check, just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook, yeah. Astro. Yeah. Hey. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey, like a light, hey, like a light. Hey, slept through the flight, hey, not for the night. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, yeah. Paid the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Baggage in my eyes, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book, wet like on Lizzie. I be spinning probably circle blocks till I'm busy. Like where is it? No one seen her. I'm tryna, yeah. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my tight, yeah. It's absolute, yeah. I'm back with Boo. Got Ferrari, Jamba Juice, yeah. We back on the road, they jumping off no parachute, yeah. Shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes, yeah. By the book, yeah. This how it look, yeah. Bout to check, yeah. Just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took, yeah. Be mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
Hey y'all, I'm popping back in. I just wanted to say this hair, I love this hair a lot. It works well with heat. I don't receive any, well, I'm not going to say any because y'all know all hair sheds, but I hardly receive any shedding. I hardly ever receive any tangling. But yeah, this hair from this company, I really do like it, y'all. So if y'all are looking for some really good Brazilian body wave, I would definitely say check out Klaiyi hair. Of course, do your research. Don't rely on just my review. Of course, check out some other reviews. But me personally, I really do enjoy this hair.
Astro. Yeah. Hey.
Alright y'all, this is pretty much a wrap for the video. I do hope you all enjoyed it. Please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up on this video if you liked it. Let me know how you enjoyed the video down below in the comments. And definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
Got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block.